Future of food safety, emerging trends, and why choose URGS International. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the final episode of our safety consultancy series by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In the previous three parts, we covered fundamentals of food safety, ISO 22000, HACCP, FSSC 22000, GMP, and GHP. BRCGS, Global Gap, Halal, and Coastal Consultancy, food safety audits, laboratory testing, supplier quality assurance, inspection services, regulatory compliance, export readiness. Today, in part 4, final part, we will discuss the future of food safety, emerging global trends, sustainability, digital transformation, artificial intelligence, food fraud prevention, food defense, and how URGS International can become your trusted partner in achieving world-class food safety excellence. Let us begin. The future of food safety. The food industry, is evolving rapidly. As you know, consumers today expect more than just safe food. They expect transparency, sustainability, traceability, ethical sourcing, high quality, environmental responsibility, fast response to food safety issues. Governments, retailers, and international buyers are continuously strengthening food safety requirements. Organizations that invest in modern food safety systems today will be better prepared for tomorrow's challenges. Digital transformation in food safety. Technology is transforming food safety management. Many organizations are replacing paper-based systems with digital solutions. Digital food safety systems help organizations manage inspection records, HACCP monitoring, corrective actions, internal audits, supplier management, calibration records, employee training, complaint handling, traceability. Benefits include faster decision making, reduced paperwork, better data accuracy, improved compliance, easy document retrieval, real time monitoring. Digital transformation improves both operational efficiency and audit readiness. Artificial intelligence in food safety. Artificial intelligence is becoming an important tool for the food industry. AI can help organizations predict food safety risks, analyze production trends, detect equipment failures, improve quality control, forecast contamination risks, optimize cleaning schedules, improve inventory management, support decision making. Although AI cannot replace experienced food safety professionals, it significantly improves preventive risk management. Organizations adopting AI today are creating smarter and safer food production systems. Food fraud prevention. Food fraud has become a global concern. Examples include ingredient substitution, counterfeit products, false labeling, adulteration, misrepresentation of origin. Food fraud affects consumer safety, brand reputation, legal compliance, business profitability. Organizations should conduct food fraud vulnerability assessments and implement preventive controls to minimize these risks. URGS International assists organizations in identifying vulnerabilities and implementing practical food fraud mitigation strategies. Food defense. Food defense focuses on protecting food products from intentional contamination. Unlike food safety, which addresses accidental hazards, food defense deals with deliberate acts intended to harm consumers or businesses. Food defense programs include facility security, controlled access, visitor management, employee awareness, cyber security, emergency response, supply chain security. Strong food defense systems protect both consumers and business continuity. Sustainability in the food industry. Sustainability is now closely linked with food safety. Customers increasingly prefer organizations that demonstrate responsible environmental and social practices. Sustainability initiatives include water conservation, energy efficiency, waste reduction, responsible sourcing, carbon footprint reduction, sustainable packaging, recycling, circular economy practices. Sustainable businesses often enjoy stronger customer confidence and improved market competitiveness. Climate change and food safety. Climate change is creating new food safety challenges. Changing temperatures influence crop production, pest activity, water quality, microbial growth, supply chain stability. Food businesses must adapt their risk assessments and food safety programs to address these emerging risks. Proactive planning helps organizations remain resilient under changing environmental conditions. Employee competence and leadership. Technology alone cannot ensure food safety. People remain the most valuable resource. Successful organizations invest in employee competency, leadership development, regular awareness programs, practical food safety training, internal communication, continuous learning. A knowledgeable workforce is one of the strongest defenses against food safety failures. Control improvement. International standards emphasize control improvement rather than one-time certification. Organizations should regularly review objectives, risks, opportunities, audit findings, customer complaints, supplier performance, process effectiveness, corrective actions. Control improvement enables organizations to remain competitive while maintaining high food safety performance. Why URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited? Why? Choosing the right consultancy partner can significantly simplify your certification journey. URGS International offers professional consultancy, implementation, inspection, auditing, and training services tailored to organizations across the food supply chain. Our services include ISO 22000 2018 consultancy, HACCP implementation, FSSC 22000 consultancy, GMP and GSP implementation, food safety culture development, BRCGS consultancy, Global Gap consultancy, Halal consultancy, COSAIR consultancy, food safety audits, supplier audits, inspection services, documentation development, risk assessment, food fraud and food defense consultancy, regulatory compliance support, internal auditor training, lead auditor training, food safety awareness programs, certification coordination. Industries we serve. URGS International proudly supports organizations from diverse sectors including food manufacturing, dairy industry, beverage industry, bakery and confectionery, hotels and restaurants, catering services, food packaging manufacturers, warehousing and cold storage, agriculture and farming, seafood processing, meat and poultry processing, spice manufacturers, edible oil industry, grain processing, exporters and importers, retail food chains, logistics and distribution. Our experienced consultants help organizations implement practical, effective, and internationally recognized food safety systems. Our commitment. At URGS International, our commitment goes beyond certification. We work closely with organizations to improve operational performance, strengthen compliance, reduce risks, and build long-term customer confidence. Our objective is to help businesses establish sustainable food safety systems that support control improvement and global competitiveness. At last, final message. Food safety is a shared responsibility. Every employee, supplier, manufacturer, distributor, retailer, and consumer plays an important role in delivering safe food. Organizations that embrace international standards, control improvement, innovation, and professional guidance are better equipped to meet customer expectations and succeed in today's competitive global market. Whether your organization is seeking ISO 22000 implementation, HACCP development, FSSC 22000 certification, BRCGS consultancy, Global Gap certification, Halal or COSAIR consultancy, food safety audits, training, or regulatory compliance support, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is ready to support you at every step. At last, conclusion and call to action. This brings us to the end of our four-part food safety consultancy series. This is the last part. So we hope this series has provided valuable insights into building safer food businesses, achieving international compliance, and strengthening your organization's reputation. If you found this series helpful, like this video, share it with your colleagues and industry professionals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on food safety, quality management, inspection, testing, and international certification. Press the notification bell to stay updated with our latest educational content. For consultancy, audits, inspections, training, implementation, and certification support, contact URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please contact us first through WhatsApp for any query. Thank you for watching this complete food safety consultancy series. We look forward to helping your organization achieve higher standards of food safety, quality, and global excellence. Thank you.